If your pool heat pump is flashing an E3 code, the system is essentially screaming for more water. This error almost universally relates to a flow issue, and low water flow is the #1 reason. Now, here's how to clear the code and get your heat pump running. Your first stop is the pressure gauge. It tells you how well your entire circulation system is operating. Most pool filters run between 10 and 25 psi when they are clean and operating efficiently. Now, if your gauge is pushing above 25 psi, the filter media is likely clogged and physically restricting the flow. That restriction is what triggers the E3 error. The cleaning process depends entirely on the hardware sitting in your equipment pad. If you see a multi-port valve on the top or side of the tank with settings like filter, backwash, or rinse, you are operating a sand filter or a DE filter. There is a critical mechanical rule to cleaning it. Always turn off the pump before touching the valve. If you attempt to change settings while the pump is running, that's a rookie mistake that will cost you a valve mechanism or internal gasket when the fix was supposed to cost nothing. With the power off, turn the valve handle to backwash, then restart the pump. Let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes until the water in the sight glass runs completely clear. Turn the pump off again, switch the dial to rinse, and run it for about 30 seconds to resettle the sand bed. Once done, switch the pump off and return the dial to filter. Restart the system and check if the E3 has cleared. For those with a cartridge filter, there is no backwashing option. You have to physically remove the element and hose it down. Turn off the pump first, then open the air relief valve on top to release the built-up pressure so you can safely remove the lid. Locate a square or cylinder container that is the filter housing and remove the cover. Lift out the cartridge and grab a garden hose. The technique here matters. Hold the nozzle at a 45-degree angle and work from the top down, forcing the debris out from between those fabric pleats. Another mistake I see is reaching for a pressure washer. Do not do that. The washer's high-intensity stream will damage your filter's fabric. Once the pleats are clean, return the filter, secure the lid, restart the pump, and the E3 should be gone. If it's still showing, move on to the bypass valve. You'll typically find it near the heater's water intake. Most setups use a 3-way diverter valve that operates within a 180-degree range. One end sends all the water through the heater, and the other end bypasses it and sends it to the pool. When you want heat, the valve should be set to force all water through the heat pump. Now, slowly adjust the position until the E3 disappears. An E3 that persists after all this may be beyond a DIY fix, so it's probably time to call a professional.